Purezidenti Museveni agambira ndwara ya Ebola izoba lya nyamwazi obwabire nayigwiraho omworeko gwa Part of Africa Tourism Expo gw'omurundi gw'ikumi ogubira ha Speak Resort munyonyo muri Kampala kandi gwetabirwemu abantu bingi. Purezidenti Museveni ashoborire abantu abashyikira ha mukoro ogu ngw'endwara ya Ebola nekwata wahikana n'omuntu orikubagirwire ekyagizire ngu eyanguhi kugyerinda.
Because I noticed there is a lot of panic created by people who don't know science very much about Ebola. I was watching CNN spreading fear through ignorance. Ebola is much easier to control than corona. Corona was one of the biggest problems in the world, one of the most dangerous pandemics. Why? Because it was spreading through breathing. We sit in the same bus, even if I am some meters away, you can infect me. Now, therefore, Ebola is nothing compared to corona. Ebola spreads by intimate contact. Mufachina abantu mbavuye kumbakwata baki. Tumukwatako mutunire butunzi. Contact, intimate contact. That's how Ebola spreads. And even then, somebody infected by Ebola is not infective all the time. It is only when the symptoms start showing that he or she starts being able to infect other people. And that is like after 5 days or 10 days.
President Museveni wanaamiza abanya-Uganda ngu gavumenti etiireho kureba ubuzo kurukumara kureba ngu endwara egiti yataho mu Uganda na munonga kuraba ha nsharo.
Stop shaking hands. I normally don't like shaking hands, and this is a very good excuse. Now I just wave at you. Shaking hands for what? What do you want to do for me?
President Museveni wanagizire ngu Uganda ino obukugu bw'amaani omu nsi yoona abukwatire n'okurwanisa endwara z'amaani ezirikubarukaho ubwo nashoborire ngu abantu abisirwe endwara egi n'abagikwasirwe n'abakongo agumize ngu tari munya-Uganda nk'okwo emikutu y'amakuru emwe okwebire nebiha.
The CNN was saying DRC and Uganda. I don't know why my daughter Kagwa have not countered that. This was mainly DRC. All these people, the 500 or whatever number, then the ones who have died, they are saying 130 or something like that. All of them are on the Congo side mainly. And then one who died here in the Chiburi hospital had come from Congo. And then another one who is, I think, sick in Nakasero. There are few people. So the correct description of the outbreak is that it is mainly in Congo, but with a few people who came from Congo who came here.
President Museveni wanashoborire emiringo eyi gavumenti etiireho kutangira endwara egi okujanjara.
First of all, if you work with the Congo government and tell them that anybody who has got a fever, please don't travel. Anybody with a fever, don't travel. Stay in your location and report to the health authorities. Then at the border, we check the temperatures. in the bus, in the cars, we check the temperatures. And then we guide everybody, even when you're already here, if you get sick, you report immediately to the health center.
Enyuma h'umuhandiki wa Ministry y'Amagara Dr. Diana Twine agambira abanyamakuru ngo eby'entambura ebirumu ntambura y'amaizi hagati ya Uganda na Congo byemerezibwe kumara esandina nkaguma ha miringo y'okukingira endwara ya Ebola kujanjara. Awa TV West, Ndabulkarim Sengendo.